What's good? Facebook, YouTube. I got the Ustream, you feel me? I just made a page and I made a Twitter. I got the munchies, I'm sorry. Bang! Something serious. Yo, it's finna go down, then after that, back to these. But no, check out the Ustream, come fuck with me. Y'all can keep up with me like that. My username is Kool-Aid198787. I made a Twitter last night. Come mess with me on Twitter. That's Kool-Aid Tiller. KOOLAIDTILLER. If you're not messing with me on YouTube, come mess with me. Kool-Aid198787. I got pages. And I got a fan page too as well. So I'm gonna be posting this up on all my sites. I got a fan page on Facebook, so y'all can come and like and mess with me on that. You follow me on Twitter, I'll follow you back. That's the way the game goes. I'm up and tired. Running up the stairs from downstairs from the store. Got a store in my building. I bought this for a special someone. I don't eat this shit. But I'm about to go enjoy my snack. Yeah.